nice.
Come on. Come on, please. Please, let's go. Please, come on. Yeah. Oh, burnt smoke. Oh. Holy crap. Holy crap. Yeah. Woo. Let's go. Dude, I can't. This is freaking awesome.
Go, go, go.
Yeah, boys.
Go for the game.
Up in Moab, trying to get these old cars for a car show. We trying to get them. We trying to get them to honk. There was actually this really old white one that actually had like the really super old horn. It was awesome.
Honk you! Honk! 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 Honk!
There we go. Come on. Come on.
Honk! 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 Go! 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 Go!
I'm pretty sure I caught the one that had. Did you see the fire come out of the pipes?
Yeah, I saw that. I saw the fire.
I really wish this was in the daytime so I could like actually show. I could actually fully see the actual cars. The one with the pipes though, and the really old one, that was awesome. I really wish I caught the old. I really wish I caught the old one on tape though.
Dad, turn that off so they can see us. Honk! 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 Honk!
Come on. I really wish I got that white one with the old horn on tape. That would have been awesome. Holy crap, Dust. Did you actually see the one that had the fire coming out of the pipe?
Yeah. Yeah, is it fun for you?
Yeah.
We actually made the one with the spikes on top actually rev too. That was pretty cool.
Cars can rev hard. Dad, where's Rev stand for?
Yeah.
Honk! 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 Honk!
Cause what if they honk and you cover up the honk sound? Yeah, let's go.
When they're racing.
Just go like this.
For donation.
Cause if they actually like honk and you cover up the noise, that you know how triggered I would be?